Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. President Emmerson Mnangagwa presided over the fourth graduation ceremony at Manicaland State University of Applied Sciences in Mutare. Mnangagwa kept 198 graduates, including 97 women, from faculties of engineering, applied sciences, agribusiness, and social sciences. The event underscores Zimbabwe's Education 5.0 initiative, which emphasizes research, innovation, and industrialization. Established in 2017, the Midland State University of Applied Sciences reflects the government's commitment to expanding higher education in the resource-rich Manicaland province. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.